up, people? Chobot here, back with your fix for Thursday, June 3rd. Starting us off, Ubisoft appears to be teasing a new project which looks to be shifting the Assassin's Creed series to ancient Egypt. A new teaser site for Ubi Workshop hosts an image of what looks to be a stylized new assassin over an Egyptian backdrop. However, it remains unclear if this is for a new game or an upcoming comic book. A new comic book series is in the works for Assassin's Creed, which is set to debut at this year's San Diego Comic-Con. We here at IGN will keep you posted. Also on the radar this morning is a new teaser trailer for Killzone 3. Sadly, there's no new gameplay that is shown. However, what you can see is some snazzy-looking hand-to-hand combat, and of course, the infamous iconic Helghast helmet that continues to haunt my dreams at nights. Be sure to check out the trailer over on IGN PS3. And Rockstar wants to assure all of you Red Dead fans that they are aware of the issues many players are facing when playing Red Dead Redemption, and that they are currently working on a patch to fix them. This mainly is in response to the trouble some players are having with multiplayer connectivity. However, for putting up with the game's bugs, Rockstar will release 2 character outfits for free, in addition to the co-op mission pack that is slated for release later this month. Look for the new patch sometime next week. And finally, when you've exhausted all your options in trying to contain a giant oil spill, who are you gonna call? You're calling James Cameron, of course. No joke, folks. Federal officials met with the famed director today in Washington to discuss possible ways to help contain British Petroleum's huge up that has plagued the Gulf of Mexico for the past 6 weeks. And hey, can't hurt, right? Right? Cameron is a veteran of undersea filmmaking after all, with films like The Abyss, and in fact he did save Pandora. So maybe he can help solve this oil spill crisis. I can't believe that this story is true. And that's your fix for June 3rd, 2010. I'm Jessica Chobot, and be sure to get your fix anytime online here at IGN.com.